What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and one of the biggest issues that I see you guys talking about in the comment section is the issue of being too shy. Being shy holds you back from asking questions, learning more, expanding your circle. It basically limits the way that you live your life, right? And from the comments that I've been reading here on the channel, you guys are over it and you want to be more outgoing and less shy. So today I have a full video on how to stop being shy, things that you can start doing right now to push through that shyness, to be more confident and make more friends. Watch this carefully and follow the tips in today's videos to change the way that you behave. And of course, guys, just a reminder that we're this close to 1 million followers on Instagram. And the moment we get there, all right, I'm gonna do a huge giveaway with 10 winners. The biggest giveaway that I've ever done. So if you haven't followed me yet, it is at Alex Costa. It's all listed in the description below. The first thing that you need to do is list down all of the social situations where you feel most anxious, and then go out there and conquer them one by one. You need to know what you're dealing with before you tackle it, right? So take a second to list down the situations that scare you. Maybe it's talking to a girl at the bar, maybe it's going out to parties, or it could be public speaking. You need to know what makes you shy, what makes you anxious. Then after you have that list, you're gonna start practicing and getting better at each and every item on that list. If it's public speaking, then start with a small number of friends. Get used to speaking in front of them loud and clear. Then move on to a larger number of people, maybe a mix of friends and other people that you don't know, and so on and so forth until you are a pro. Do that until you conquer the fear. And go through the list until you're no longer scared of those situations. Next, you need to make eye contact, all right, with everyone that you talk to. If you're talking to someone and their eyes are down here, you know what I mean, they're on the floor, then you immediately know that that person is either shy or sad or just not that interested in what you have to say. Either way, it's not a good sign. It is bad body language. Most shy people tend to look down or away instead of looking at people's eyes, okay? You need to overcome that fear as soon as possible. Try looking at people's eyes when you're having a conversation with them, when you're shaking their hands. It is the right thing to do. It makes people feel like you're giving them attention, and that is huge. It makes them feel great. The challenge I'm gonna give you here is to look at that person's eyes just a little bit longer than you would normally. Hold that gaze, all right, just a second longer. It's gonna feel like an hour. It's gonna feel weird at first, but after a few tries, it'll feel normal. You're gonna get used to it, and you finally let go of that fear of making eye contact. Guys, and a bonus here is to try and have a smile on your face when you're talking to people. Even if just a little smirk, just pull your lips a little bit to go from a moody, sad look to a positive, much more approachable look. Number 3, learn as much as possible. Invest in yourself so that you're armed with information every time you talk to someone. The more you know about a specific subject, the more you can talk about it without feeling shy, without feeling nervous. So if you know everything about computers and people are talking about computers, you can join in that conversation proudly and give your input without being scared or anxious because you know that topic. Also, never stop learning about yourselves, all right? It is in our nature to want to improve, to want to become a better man. You need to focus on yourself and work hard so that you can get the results that you're looking for. Whether it's the financial freedom, the girl of your dreams, the perfect job that you can, even working hard to get, or even the dream house that you've always wanted. Guys, that is why I created the Inner Circle, the VIP community made for guys who want to improve, that want to go from being invisible and shy to someone who is present, someone who makes a good impression on everyone they meet. We've had hundreds of guys who signed up in the last couple of days, and it makes me so happy to know that they decided to invest in themselves, instead of buying new sneakers or whatever that would just make them look better, or they think that it would make them look better. This is something that will change and improve you permanently, because it's not just an amazing community of guys who want to be successful. It's a lot of exclusive content like live video calls with me every month, where you can get into the call, talk to me, send over your questions, and I'll answer them right then and there live. I also have long videos teaching you about the 3 pillars of impact, all right, which are mindset, style, and communication. If you master those 3 skills, those 3 pillars, you will no longer be shy. You're gonna break through all that and live the life that you deserve to live. And even bonus videos, all right, like tours of my closet, an in-depth video about my daily habits, and so much more. So check out the link in my bio, join the inner circle, and trust me, you guys will make new friends, people who are actually working hard to be successful and change your life, all right? Join the inner circle below. It's alexcostastyle.com, and I'll see you guys inside. Number 4, work on building a confident body language, all right? Make contact when you talk to someone. Don't do any eye rolls, all right? That's bad. Walk with your head held high, shoulders back, for a much more confident look. All right, if you're slouched over, that immediately looks like you're shy. People can see that you're shy before they even talk to you. Body language is so important, guys. And even if you are shy, even if you're feeling a little anxious, a little nervous, walk in there, maybe do a little one of these. All right, let's do this, and go into this party, go into this bar, go into this presentation that you have to give to your college class with your head held high. Show them, or at least fake it until you make it, that you're not shy. Show them that you're confident. It is so clear to me that a person is shy when I shake their hands, for example, right? If you shake a guy's hand and he's like this, he's kind of like sideways, like not even really looking at you, not looking at you in the eyes, shoulders are kind of in, that person's shy, you know, and it's not a bad thing, but it's like, it's fine. Like we're just meeting new people. Just be confident, be okay with it. You don't have to be super outgoing and loud and obnoxious. That's not what we're trying to do here. We're just trying to make sure that you're not limiting yourself by being too shy. Next on the list is be present. You have to be present in order to not be shy. All right, because when you're shy, what ends up happening is you kind of block yourself from what's happening. All right, you're standing in the back of a party. You're standing in the corner of a bar. You're not projecting your voice when you're doing any type of public speaking, right? So that is not good. You have to be present. You have to let people know that you're there. Otherwise, you're just invisible. You're just in the back, and we don't want that. We want you to be visible. We want you to stand out in a crowd instead of blending in. Pay close attention around you. Be present to all your thoughts, you know, your feelings. If you're feeling a little bit shy, then be like, yo, Alex, come on, man. There's a lot of people here. You can probably meet a few friends. Go talk to that person. Just say hi. Just get it started, get it going, and get out of that feeling, you know, that negative shyness feeling. Go out there and try your best to make new friends. And trust me, guys, just by you understanding that you're shy, just being honest with yourself, hey, I'm a little bit anxious, not feeling very good, but I'm gonna break through, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna meet new people. Go and do it, and you're gonna feel so much better, and you're gonna be proud of yourself. Next on the list is so important, guys. You have to try new things, even if they make you anxious, and actually, especially if they make you anxious. Do something to get out of your comfort zone, of that little box that you've created, that little safe space. You know, join a club, a sports team, join an acting class or a dancing class or piano, anything that you think would just make you feel a little bit less anxious, that would teach you some skills that you may be nervous about in the beginning, but then you're proud of having. What would you like to learn? What would you be interested in doing? If somebody invites you to a party and you're like, man, there's a lot of people there, I don't know all these people, there's gonna be that girl that I like from school, and you say no, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to meet new people and make new friends and break out of that comfort zone. So yes, you're gonna be anxious, you're gonna be a little bit scared, but you have to fight through it. That is how you win this game, and that's how you can finally stop letting go of that anxiousness and feeling way less shy and way more outgoing, make new friends, and so much more. And you have to engage more. A lot of times when you go out, you know, and you feel like that invisibility, right? You feel like you're just in the back, and you're like, you know what? I'm safe right here. There's all these people around me. I'm out. I made it out, but I'm safe in this little corner over here. I don't really want to talk to anyone, but people will know that I was at the party. That is not good. You have to engage. You know, I know some people don't like small talk, but go over there and start with small talk. And then as soon as you get to know the person, talk about it. What kind of hobbies are you in? Oh, you like playing tennis? Oh, me too. Or, oh, you know, my dad's a pro, or whatever. Talk about it. The more you know about a person, the less you're talking about small stuff, and you're getting in deeper and deeper. And by learning about communication, by understanding how to communicate with others, understanding about interaction, human interaction, and how every interaction is a negotiation, guys, you will completely change the way that you talk to people. You change the way that you see yourself, change the way that you see others, and that is why it is one of the 3 pillars of impact: communication, and you learn that in the inner circle. Next up is do not beat yourself up. This is extremely important. So many guys who are shy are like, I'm just not good enough. Like, I'm just shy. I don't really know how to talk to people. I'm gonna be in the back, or I'm gonna stay home. That's not good, guys. If you're shy, it's totally fine. It is just part of your personality. It is part of who you are. When I grew up, if you watch one of my most recent videos that I talked about growing up in Brazil, moving to the US, and just feeling like I didn't know how to speak English properly, so I wouldn't talk to anyone, that was me being shy of my accent. That was me being shy of the person that I was becoming. And that is so bad. You have to be proud of yourself. You have to go out there and talk to people. So don't beat yourself up. Don't be negative. Try to engage in a positive mindset. Try to talk to people, and that will completely change the way that you see yourself. Because if you're looking in the mirror and you're thinking negatively about yourself, that's the worst thing that you can do. That is when you stay back while everyone else moves forward. So don't beat yourself up. It's totally fine. Take your time, but learn as you go. Guys, make sure to check out our brand new website and join the inner circle. It is alexcostastyle.com. Thank you for all the new hundreds of members that just joined after we launched. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram.com/AlexCosta so you can enter the giveaway when I reach 1 million followers, and we're this close. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.